At number 10 on our countdown, we have the Jontex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine, a fantastic solution for those seeking convenience and efficiency in laundry care. This portable washing machine is designed to save you valuable time. No more trips to the laundromat or tedious hand washing, just load your clothes, set the timer, and let it do the work for you. With a large capacity of 20 pounds, this twin tub machine can handle substantial loads. The washing tub accommodates up to 12 pounds of laundry, and the spin dryer can handle 8 pounds, making it perfect for both everyday use and more significant washing tasks. One of its standout features is the semi-automatic design. You can set the washer timer for up to 15 minutes and the spin timer for up to 5 minutes per load, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect washing cycle for your clothing types. Powered by a robust 300W wash motor and a 110W spin motor, this machine is ideal for small loads. Its delicate and lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home as needed, while still delivering powerful washing performance. The compact twin tub design is convenient for home use. The filter net on the side of the washing barrel ensures quick and efficient filtering during washing, and it's easy to remove and clean. When using the spin tub, the cover plate should be placed above the clothes to prevent high-speed shaking and spinning. Assembly is straightforward, with all necessary accessories included in the package. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Jontex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine, a perfect addition to any household. At number 9 on our countdown, we present the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer, a powerful and portable solution perfect for smaller spaces and apartments. Measuring 23.6 by 21.5 by 27.5 inches and weighing just 49.5 pounds, this compact dryer packs a punch with an impressive load volume of 13.2 pounds and an inside capacity of 3.5 cubic feet. It's designed for convenience, requiring no electrical hardwiring. Just plug it into a standard 120V outlet using the included 3-prong plug. The BLACK+DECKER BCED37 offers 4 drying modes to suit your needs: air dry, cool, warm, and hot. With 1,500 watts of drying power and built-in overheat protection, you can trust it to handle your laundry with care and efficiency. This portable dryer features a 4-inch diameter vent hose, exhaust connector, lint, and exhaust filters, ensuring easy setup and maintenance. Its durable stainless steel drum and front-loading transparent lid make it both sturdy and user-friendly. Drying times range from 30 minutes to 200 minutes, providing flexibility and convenience for your busy schedule. Whether you're drying sheets, towels, clothes, or other everyday items, this compact dryer delivers hassle-free operation and freshly dried laundry every time. No matter where life takes you, the BLACK+DECKER BCED37 Compact Dryer is your go-to solution for efficient and reliable drying, making it an essential addition to any home. At number 8 on our countdown, we have the Costway Portable Washing Machine, a versatile and efficient solution for your laundry needs, especially in small spaces like RVs, apartments, and dorms. Featuring a twin tub design, this compact washing machine combines both washing and spinning functions. This means you can easily move your clothes from the washer to the spinner, saving you valuable time. The timer control feature adds flexibility, allowing you to set the washing time up to 15 minutes and the spinning time up to 5 minutes based on your specific needs. This ensures your clothes are washed and spun to your satisfaction. With a total capacity of 20 pounds, this portable washing machine can handle the entire family's laundry in one go. It boasts a powerful 330W washing motor and a 110W spinning motor, ensuring effective and efficient performance every time. Operating the Costway Portable Washing Machine is simple, thanks to its 3 intuitive knobs for washing selector, washing timer, and spin timer. Just load your clothes and detergent, set the machine, and let it do the rest. Its compact and lightweight structure makes it perfect for small spaces. Additionally, it includes a filter on the side of the cleaning bucket to ensure easy filtering during the washing process. Experience the convenience and power of the Costway Portable Washing Machine, a reliable addition to any small living space. At number 7 on our countdown, we present the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine, a fantastic solution for efficient laundry care in small spaces like camping trips, apartments, dorms, and RVs. Featuring a twin-tub dual-function design, this washing machine allows you to save time by washing and spinning dry loads simultaneously. Move clothes directly from the washer to the spinner or run both sides together to finish your laundry faster. Powered by a 1300 RPM motor with a max frequency of 60 Hz, this portable washer delivers impressive performance. The washer can handle up to 8 pounds, while the spin cycle accommodates up to 5 pounds. The translucent tub container window lets you watch your clothes get clean. The washer control timer runs for up to 15 minutes, and the spin cycle timer runs for up to 5 minutes per load, providing flexibility and efficiency. Lightweight and space-saving, it's easy to move and fits perfectly in a bathroom or closet, making it ideal for small spaces. Operating the Super Deal washing machine is simple and effective. Just put in your clothes, fill with water, set the timer, and hit the start button. Enjoy clean laundry and the fresh scent of detergent with minimal effort. The large wave pulsator and new water flow design reduce clothing twisting and enhance cleaning efficiency. A drainage tube makes it easy to drain out dirty water. Designed with durability and energy efficiency in mind, the plastic body ensures it will never rust. It's quiet, neat, and clean, with low power consumption that saves energy. For any product issues, feel free to contact the seller, who will respond within 24 hours to assist you. Experience the convenience and reliability of the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine, a perfect addition to any small living space. At number 6 on our countdown, we have the Scrubble Wash Bag Portable Washing Machine, the ultimate solution for clean laundry on the go. Experience a machine-quality wash in just minutes with the Scrubble's patented washboard in a bag design. Perfect for hotels, hostels, camping, backpacking, dorm rooms, RVs, and mini scout trips, this portable washer is your convenient laundry companion anytime, anywhere. Weighing only 5.3 ounces, the Scrubble Wash Bag is the world's smallest washing machine. It folds down to fit in your pocket, taking up virtually no space and ensuring you travel light, clean, and free. This non-electric washing machine is incredibly easy to use. With simple 6-step instructions printed on the bag, anyone can wash clothes quickly and hygienically without electricity. Save space, water, and time while reducing your environmental impact with this off-grid hand washing machine. The Scrubble Wash Bag is versatile and multifunctional, ideal for small to medium laundry loads including t-shirts, underwear, socks, bras, delicates, and dishcloths. It also doubles as a dry bag to keep gear dry or as a container for dirty laundry, maximizing its utility on every trip. Join over 400,000 Scrubble Wash Bag users worldwide and enjoy cleaner, lighter, and more carefree travel. Each purchase is backed by a 2-year worry-free warranty, ensuring complete peace of mind. If something goes wrong, we will make it right. Experience the convenience and freedom of the Scrubble Wash Bag Portable Washing Machine, your go-to solution for laundry on the move. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5 on our countdown, we present the Portable Mini Washer, an upgraded foldable washing machine perfect for deep cleaning small clothes like underwear and baby clothes. With an impressive 11L capacity, this upgraded model holds nearly twice as many clothes compared to the 6L version. Now, you can wash more clothes in one go without any worries. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, this compact and easy-to-carry washing machine is ideal for apartments, dormitories, hotels, travel, or camping. Made of TPE and food-grade silicone, it ensures the health and safety of you and your family. Please note, this portable washer does not have a dehydration basket. The innovative folding design makes storage a breeze. When unfolded, it measures 12.5 by 12.5 by 13.5 inches, and when folded, it's only 6 inches tall. It easily fits between shelves or under the bed, saving valuable space in your home. This mini washing machine offers powerful decontamination with all-round imitation hand scrubbing, suitable washing speeds, and strong cleaning capabilities. It's perfect for washing small clothes like baby clothes, underwear, or socks, ensuring they are thoroughly clean and safe. Please note, it is not recommended for large clothes. Operating the foldable washing machine is simple, thanks to its semi-automatic cleaning function with 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute timer buttons. just fill the washing machine with 2/3 of water for optimal washing results. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the portable mini washer, your perfect companion for keeping small clothes clean, wherever you are. At number 4 on our countdown, we have the portable washing machine from PaiPaiHome, a versatile and efficient solution for deep cleaning small clothes like underwear and baby clothes. Remember, to get guaranteed products and services, please buy from PaiPaiHome. This mini portable washing machine is both small and lightweight, making it perfect for apartments, dormitories, hotels, traveling, or camping. Made from TPE and food-grade silicone material, it ensures the health and safety of you and your family. It's an ideal gift choice, so make sure to purchase from PaiPaiHome. With an upgraded 12L capacity, this washing machine handles more laundry at once, doubling the efficiency compared to traditional 6L models. This larger capacity ensures you can manage more clothes in a single wash. The intelligent cleaning modes feature a semi-automatic function with 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute timer buttons. From quick cleans to deep washing, you can easily meet various washing requirements. After washing, the removable spin-dry basket helps separate residual water from your clothes automatically. This feature enhances convenience and ensures your laundry dries faster. The clever folding design of this washing machine allows for easy storage. When unfolded, it measures 11.8 by 11.8 by 12.8 inches, and when folded, it's only 5.8 inches tall. It easily fits between shelves or under the bed, saving valuable space in your home. For guaranteed products and services, remember to buy from PaiPaiHome. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the portable washing machine, a perfect addition to any small living space. At number 3 on our countdown, we have the Comfee portable washing machine, a compact and fully automatic washer designed for convenience and efficiency in small spaces. This full automatic washing machine offers 5 wash programs: heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, along with 3 water levels. You can quickly start the machine with your preferred settings or customize your washing program by selecting load size, adding wash time, rinse time, and spin time. Measuring just 18.1 inches in width, 17.7 inches in depth, and 31.5 inches in height, this top-load compact washer is easy to store in your cabinet, RV, dorm, or even bathtub. It comes with built-in wheels and handles for effortless movement, making it a perfect choice for small households with limited space. The transparent lid design allows you to see and monitor the water and washing conditions. Equipped with a durable rust-resistant steel inner tub, lint filter, water inlet, and drain pump, this machine makes it easy to drain out dirty water. The LED display shows the time left to finish, adding to its user-friendly features. This compact washing machine is DOE certified, indicating its energy efficiency. It saves up to 87.5% energy consumption compared to similar models, thanks to its powerful and durable motor with an 840 RPM spin speed that runs quietly. One standout feature is the Auto Unbalance Detection (AUD). This system automatically fixes unbalance issues by allowing more water to come in and will alert you if the problem can't be resolved, ensuring a safe and pleasant experience. For installation and troubleshooting steps, refer to the PDF attached in the technical specifications. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the Comfee portable washing machine, an ideal solution for small living spaces. At number 2 on our countdown, we have the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer, a compact and efficient solution for household laundry needs. This portable washer measures 17.3 by 17.7 by 31.1 inches and offers 5 cycle selections: heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, making it versatile enough for all your laundry, including baby clothes, diapers, and lingerie. Weighing in at 48.4 pounds, this washer provides 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads, with cold water temperature settings. Additionally, you can set a delay start for up to 24 hours, offering flexibility to fit your schedule. The 0.9 cubic feet washer features a durable, rust, and corrosion-resistant stainless steel tub with a top-loading transparent quiet close lid. This allows you to monitor your laundry in real time, ensuring a thorough clean with the impeller washer. Additional features include auto unbalance detection, which ensures peak performance during every wash, as well as auto shut-off safety features and child lock protection for added peace of mind. Designed for mobility, this portable washer comes with 2 rollers, 2 side handles, and a front adjustable leveling leg, making it easy to move from room to room. It also includes a quick connect adapter, water supply hose, and drain hose for convenient setup. Experience the superior functionality and convenience of the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer, an ideal choice for household use in any living space. And now, taking the #1 spot in our countdown, we have the OurTech portable washing machine, a powerful and compact twin tub washer perfect for dorms, apartments, and RVs. This mini washer features 2 separate tubs for washing and spinning, allowing you to handle both tasks simultaneously. With a large capacity of 18 pounds for the washer and 10 pounds for the spinner, this machine is designed to meet all your laundry needs. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to fit in bathrooms or closets, ideal for small living spaces. Powered by a 1300 RPM motor, the OurTech portable washing machine ensures clothes are washed quickly and efficiently. The transparent window lets you monitor the washing and spinning process, while the low water consumption helps save water and free up your hands. Equipped with a drainage pump and an adjustable inlet hose, this washing machine offers flexible drainage options, making it easy to direct water to a higher position or a convenient place. The separate time control and lint filter further enhance its user-friendly design. The simple control panel allows you to set washing time, mode, and spinning time with ease. Constructed from high-quality PP material, this washer is lightweight, resistant to deformation and rust, and built to last. Its powerful water flow effectively cleans clothes while reducing wear. Additionally, the drain hose ensures easy disposal of dirty water. With washing cycles up to 15 minutes and spinning cycles up to 5 minutes per load, this machine saves you valuable time. Measuring 27 by 15 by 32 inches, it fits perfectly in limited spaces and requires no installation. Experience the convenience and efficiency of the OurTech portable washing machine, your top choice for compact laundry solutions. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact us, and we will respond within 24 hours to resolve your problems. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.